Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Raluca. In today's video we're going to do a little bit of a transformation. It's kind of like a get ready with me. I'm going to go out tonight. Before we get started, I want to kindly ask you guys to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. I'm just going to magically transform into the no makeup me in a couple of seconds. Like, about now. I look like a mess, my hair isn't dried yet. But whatever. I'm going to apply a mask to prep my skin. This is the something from Holika Holika, I think the brand is called. I'm gonna let this sit on my face for about 10 or 15 minutes, something like that. Hopefully I'll be able to dry my hair meanwhile. Okay, about 15 minutes have passed. I'm going to remove this from my face and I will massage the excess into my skin. Feels nice. I really like how my skin feels after this mask. I want a fairly simple eye makeup, but I want red lips. That's what I'm sure about. Since the eye makeup is not going to be really heavy, I'm going to do my face first because I'm not scared of fallout on my face. I'm going to start with my Dior Backstage foundation. By the way, I'm using the shade 1W in the Dior Backstage foundation. I will take my sponge and bounce this into my skin. This looks like it has nice coverage. I might have applied a little bit too much. Usually the coverage is pretty light in this foundation. But it's layerable, which is great. I'm going to apply some color corrector. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind one in the shade Brightener, mainly in the inner part of my eye bags. I'm gonna use the same sponge to blend it in. And then from the same range I'm going to use the shade Neutralizer, which is pretty yellow toned. I think I ran out of it, but it's okay because I have a backup for it. I just love this concealer so much. And I'm applying again mainly in the inner portion because this is where my discoloration is. Here in my outer corner I applied for a little bit of a lifting. And around here to hide the redness around my nose. Did I just forget my backlight? Good thing I noticed, because now it's on. I'm going to take my powder. But first I'm going to blend in those creases. And then immediately setting. Do really my pores look a little bit shrinked? I don't know if it's this mask, but they do look kind of closed. Wow, that's awesome. I'm using the same small brush to set the areas that are usually harder to get into, like the sides of my nose, a little bit of my smile lines to ensure that this is well set so it won't crease throughout the day. And then I'm going to take a larger fluffy brush to set the rest of my face. I'm just going to stamp the face with the powder. Continuing the face makeup, I'm going to apply this Dior Nude bronzer with a Morphe 405 brush. Mainly on my cheekbone, but I will bronze up my forehead as well. And a little bit underneath my nose. Just found out that I like bronzing my chin, like right here. Next comes blush. I think that classy pink blush will do the trick for me today. And I'm going to use my Sigma blush cheek palette. And I'm going to mix these two shades to create a lighter pink that's suitable for my skin tone. And dusting this above my bronzer. And a little bit everywhere actually. Next, for the first time on camera, I'm going to be using my Becca highlighter in the shade Cpop. This is gorgeous. I'm so sorry for Becca for the fact that they're closing in September. If you can still find this anywhere, I suggest you go get it. I found mine on sale, which is absolutely great. I'm going to pick it up on my Sigma F03 brush. And just let me show you how magical this is. It looks like glow from within, but it's a little bit stronger than my e.l.f. one. Absolutely beautiful. I will set my face makeup into place using the All Nighter setting spray by Urban Decay. I'm going to apply my eye primer, the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and I'm going to let it dry until I do my brows. I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade in the shade Blonde. And let's see if I can do my brows on camera. I'm going to pick up the pomade on my brush. See how I go through my pomade? Like it's a new thing I'm trying and it seems to work. Like to just keep the brow pomade fresh for longer. I'm usually starting from the bottom of my brow. I'm also filling the tail. This is the shade Blonde and it still seems a little bit dark. I mean, I'm going to brush it so it fades a little bit and draw some hair strokes in the front. I mean, it's a very nice product, but I feel like we need at least 2 lighter shades in this pomade range. Like, since this is the lightest shade, I can't imagine like someone with more fair skin tone than mine. Even though my hair is not really that light, but my skin is, so... I'm going to set the brows in place using the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. For my eyes, I think I'm going to go for the Taupes and the Chocolates by Juvia's Place. I'm going to start with the Taupes and pick up this shade as a transition. And now I'm applying it on both my upper and lower lid. And extending it into my bronzer. I think I'll pick up this slightly darker shade as well to intensify the crease area. And I'm just using the same brush. I'm starting from the outer corner. I'm trying to keep it a little bit lower than the previous shade. So from the outer corner, I'm bringing it towards the inner corner. And same thing on my lower lash line. From the Chocolates palette, again by Juvia's Place, I'm going to pick up this warm brown here. This is a Makeup Forever 216 brush. And I'm going to start from the outer corner. I'm going to stamp this in my outer corner mainly, kind of in an angled shape to lift up my outer corner a little bit. And then with whatever is left on the brush, I'm going to blend towards the center of my crease. And then with my previous brush and a transition shade, I'm going to further blend this. I messed it up a little bit here. I'm gonna take the dark brown again and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line as well. All over to my inner corner. And again, I'm going to blend it with the fluffy brush. Now for the shimmer on the lid, I'm going for the Taupes palette again and picking up this shimmer in the corner. I really love this one. I just discovered it. I used to use this one a lot, but now I love this one as well. I'm just going to apply it with my finger. I remember I didn't love this palette at first, the Taupes, but I don't know, now for me it's like a perfect everyday palette. With my previous brush, I'm going to blend the edge and then blending with the fluffy brush. I'm going to try to do a thin line like this. I'm using mainly my Sephora Collection color block, but this is almost dried out, so I might have to go for another liner. We'll see. I'm doing the liner with my eyes open so I can go over the creases. I'm switching to my Essence liner to finish this. I want to spice up this eye look with my Diamond Bomb by Fenty. Again, I'm going to pick it up with my finger and apply it above the shimmer. I'm also going to apply some on my face. And after I change clothes, I will apply this on my chest as well. I won't even attempt to apply lashes on camera, so I'll be going off camera to apply the lashes. Whew. Applying my lashes literally took about 20 minutes. I've been applying lashes for, I think, 3 or 4 years. Like, not on a regular basis. I don't apply lashes every day, but I do for my Instagram looks and stuff. And I still can't figure them out. Like, my lash glue just didn't want to stick to my eye in the inner corner here. I had to remove the lash completely and start over. I don't know, but now it seems to work, so yeah, I'm happy about it. Finish the eye look, I'm going to apply my highlighter in the inner corner, right here, and also underneath the arch of my brow. Like, this is such a classic eye look. You can wear this with a nude lip or a red lip, which I am going to wear today. So first I'm going to line my lips. I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade 708. It's like a dark reddish color. As lipstick, I'm going to apply a Statement, the Sephora Collection 01 lipstick. This is a true bright red that looks gorgeous on anyone. This is one of those things that you need in your collection if you're passionate about makeup. I love that it makes my teeth look a little bit whiter. This is the makeup look. I'm going to go change clothes and do my hair. That's it, that's the look. Here I am 30 minutes later, all done. I'm ready to head out and stuff my face with pasta. I really hope you enjoyed this little transformation thing. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. I'm going to go now. I hope you're having an amazing day and I hope I see you in my next video. Bye!